In the global automotive aftermarket, a reliable supply chain is a real competitive advantage. Elecdura integrates resources from over 200 top-tier factories across China to deliver one-stop automotive parts solutions. We are more than just a manufacturer and supplier. We are also a trusted long-term partner for our customers. With strong sourcing capabilities, we quickly match customer needs, helping improve purchasing efficiency. Our product range covers alternators and starters, wipers and components, ignition and tune-up, fuel delivery, engine cooling, engine sensors and emissions, air conditioning system, engine power, steering system, braking system, lighting and signaling system, auto door system, others. Elecdura, your one-stop automotive parts partner.